right, dude. Tell me every social media thing that you know of.
Facebook.
Yeah, know that one.
Instagram.
Know that one.
Snapchat.
Never been that one.
Tumblr.
Don't know what that is.
Twitter.
I have that. I used to have that one. I don't have that one anymore.
TikTok.
No idea what that is. TikTok? Is that
TikTok. It's the latest and greatest.
TikTok?
TikTok.
All right, Journey. What the heck is TikTok?
TikTok is a platform for youth.
Sounds like you're selling it to me right now. I'll buy one TikTok.
Well, we're going to get you set up with TikTok here in a second, but let me tell you about how TikTok works.
All right, how does TikTok work?
TikTok is a platform that was originally called Musical.ly, an app where you lip sing.
How do you know all this history of it? Wait, you lip sing in this app?
I did my research before this video. What you do is you take a song, and they have songs in the app.
Okay.
And then you selfie yourself. You lip sing to the song. They make great videos. But they've transformed that app into what we now know as TikTok.
TikTok to make you jump.
But on TikTok,
That's an old Chris Cross joke right there.
we're trying to speak to the youth here.
I'm sorry.
Not old people.
So it's for the youth.
It's for the youth.
All right.
Not only do you make lip sync videos on there, you make dance videos. You make comedy.
I feel like this is leading to a very bad spot for me.
We're going to get you dancing here in a second. Don't you worry. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to pull out your phone.
Okay.
Your mobile device.
Okay,
Not
I
your
can do
flip
that.
phone. Oh, Tony.
Hello? Is anybody there?
We got to get you to the Apple Store right away.
How about this one? Is that better?
Oh, now we're talking. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download TikTok.
Where do I go?
You're going to want to go to the App Store. Do you know where that is?
I think it's located downtown.
Tony. On your iPhone. There you go. Really proud of you. You're going to want to type in TikTok.
T-I-C-K.
No.
I see it right there.
No.
No.
That's not it.
Okay.
Teenagers don't use C when they spell it.
See, teenagers have totally eliminated
No,
these.
teenagers don't do that anymore.
Doesn't make sense.
It's not hip.
It doesn't make sense. All right, that's right.
T-I-K space
Okay.
T-O-K.
Oh, for my older viewers at home, we're in the same boat here. We're living in the same world right now.
This is gonna go over some. It's gonna go over.
All right, do I get that?
Download TikTok.
All right, push the get button.
Yeah.
It's done.
The most important thing about TikTok, you want to be relatable. You want to be fun. You want to spread the message of Jesus Christ.
Hey, there we go. How do we use this functionally for the gospel?
We have to meet youth where they're at.
Okay.
And where is youth at right now? TikTok.
They're on TikTok.
TikTok.
When youth are looking at their phones, they're looking at TikTok.
That's what I would say.
Okay.
That's what I would say.
All right.
So we're going to create content that's fun, that's
Yeah.
relatable,
Okay.
and that also opens up the idea of Jesus to maybe some kids who haven't heard that before. So not only are we going to have a lot of fun, but we're going to also use TikTok as a tool.
Okay. TikTok is a tool.
Let's open TikTok.
I'm feeling hipper already. All right, now what do I do?
We got to make an account. Everyone watching at home, be sure to follow our account.
It's going to be comedy.
Comedy,
It's going to be beauty and style.
definitely. Music for sure.
Hitting next. We're good.
Swipe up.
Okay.
We're on TikTok. We're on TikTok.
Why is J-Lo on my screen? I'm going to sign up.
Sign up.
You
can't make impulsive decisions.
That's all I do.
There's going to be some moments we can use in this. This is definitely going to be a cut and splice type video. This is not all good content, but there is something in here we can use.
Okay, where do I go here? What do I do?
So go to your account over here.
Me, Antonio
So,
Valenti.
As you can see, you have
417.
0 followers.
Yes.
0 likes.
Yeah.
Nobody likes you right
This
now.
is my life.
But that's all going to change when you start creating great content on your TikTok account.
Okay.
You ready to learn to dance?
No. Okay.
All right. So hit create here, the plus button down there.
Okay, I did it.
So there you go. You have a lot of features here you can use. There's our team there.
Yep.
Say hi, team.
Adrian's so excited.
You can make 15-second videos
Okay.
and paste them together and make a 60-second
All right,
vid.
so what do I do now?
Let's film a video.
Okay, let's film a
So,
video.
and just say something like, hey, church, I'm hip now.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Hey, church, Journey made me hit now. Feels really tight on my face there.
If you like the video, which we do.
Well, of course we do.
Am I recording? Yeah. Hey, church, Journey made me hit now.
That's good.
Let's
Journey
add a little
made me hit
sound to
now.
the video.
Oh, we're going to put sound in
Am
there?
I
Yeah.
recording?
What song do you like?
Hey,
What's a good
church,
worship song?
Journey made me.
Jade's favorite song, Echo.
Echo, echo.
Here we go. We're going in.
I'm getting hipper by the second. Yeah,
I love that sound. Let's add it to your video. You can play with the effects here. You look really good in this video, by the way.
Oh, that's nice. I feel better about myself
church.
already.
Voice
It seems like a
effects?
lot of work.
Voice effects?
Hey, church.
That's
Journey
cool.
made me hip now.
I'm gonna do. Can I hashtag? Is that a thing that happens
Yeah,
here?
absolutely. Absolutely.
Church, I know what a hashtag is. NVLC
Hey, church.
at home.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Perfect. We'll post that. You're going to want to use some hashtags here. You know about hashtags. For you.
What does that mean?
Incredibly popular hashtag.
For who's it for? Who's the you on the for you? Is it for you?
It's for you.
That's for me.
It's for you.
No, it's for
me.
you.
It's for Adrian. It's for Jade.
Okay.
It's for you.
for us.
If you use that hashtag, you're going to be seen by millions. And then you're going to write something like, hey, church family, we love you.
That sounds good.
Then we're going to post it.
Post that thing. Am I trending?
Your video has 1 million views.
Oh, I'm hip now. Do I get money?
Let's get you on Ellen. I just got an email. It's Jimmy Fallon.
It's Jimmy Bell. All right, church. That's Journey making me hip. Here's the deal. Go online, find our TikTok. I don't know how you do that either, but find our TikTok. We're going to be updating with more content. Journey's going to be updating with more content.
This is amazing grace.